Look around, can you see? The thing called church is lost and divided. We go once a week to praise, worship, and give our money. Misguided. We feast on plans, programs, and pageantry. Please take your seats and turn to John 3:16. It's cited, if you believe, you will live eternally. But instead of cleaving to Jesus, you believe in a priest. Follow his plan like sheep. Sit, stand, and after, please attend our prayer meetings. So pass around the brass to support this ministry, so we can pay our staff, hire a band, cut the grass, build this place, fill this space, make it stand out and last, renovate and reface, add lights, cameras, and stained glass. Ha! Thanks, but no thanks. I think I'll take a pass. Take a pass. 'Cause Jesus Christ was never into building buildings. Not now, not then, just men. He walked in the streets grievous, with 2 more than 10, giving them advice for their lives. Write this down, grab a pen. A price is on my head, and I will be betrayed by you and religious men. 'Cause my life will make them livid. The litigious will fight to have me fitted to a device, my hands driven by spikes. But I am to forgive them, pay the ultimate price, be a living and holy sacrifice, so you might see that my life should suffice, and you don't need anything but me, the Christ. So like a kite, fly free, 'cause the vermouth in the booth will only lead to disease, and it will not soothe. Only those who worship in spirit and truth will see. So to the youth in the group, I want you to live abundantly, but I want you to grow, to fly out of the coop and come live with me. I want to know you personally, away from all the noise and distant chatter, because I need you to listen to my voice. I don't stammer, I'm after your heart, and I'd really be glad to see you rejoice in the midst of this disaster. So look around, can you see? The thing called church is lost and lukewarm. Like Jesus, there is a cost to wear this uniform. It's called the cross. So read how he'd rather you be. Too hot, like before a storm, or too cold, like frost. Break the norm, reform, and be transformed. By the renewing of your mind, it's time we stopped viewing and started doing. Blind, it's time we started pursuing and find how God is moving, what he's got stewing, how he's using his kind, the ones of his choosing. It's amusing how some wind up thinking there's no room for improving. Like let's recline, be kind, and just keep alluding with wine, self-soothing. And it's so sad and confusing that there are way more denominations than nations. It's too bad, even back in the day, after prison, Paul had to be schooling the Galatians, saying, in clad jars of clay, there can be no division. To be equal is his vision. So lads, get on track, make some headway, and stand together. Our plight is the mission that will give us flight. So pray that the Lord will give us grace and might, 'cause he freed us from our sinful conditions, so we can start living like Christ.